We are the largest surviving tribe in the state of California. I think the most important thing that we're trying to do now as a tribe is to realize that we survived basically because we ran and hid. But in so doing, we took all our knowledge with us. And we realize at this point, it's very necessary for us to come out and teach the people who have come here how to be here. Because if we don't, frankly, they're going to wreck the joint. I think it's very important for people to develop practices from a value system. And if you have a value system based on powers and rights as opposed to responsibilities, then your practices are going to look very different. And you're going to come out in a situation where a lot of people are suffering and the place suffers because you're not holding them as your relations. I was stunned, I have to say. I didn't know that anyone in Canada was paying attention to what we were doing, and I'm very gratified because I think it is something that we need to do across the world. And it's very, I don't even know how to say it, it's very heartwarming to know that people are listening and paying attention and that we can maybe bring this message to everyone.